How to become CFO in Malaysia. The Chief Financial Officer, CFO, is the senior executive responsible for managing the financial affairs of a company. In Malaysia, the CFO typically reports to the CEO and is a member of the company's executive team. Aspiring CFOs should have a strong background in finance and accounting, as well as experience leading and managing teams. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills are also essential, as is the ability to think strategically and make sound decisions in a fast-paced environment. If you're interested in becoming a CFO, here are a few things you can do to increase your chances of success. 1. Get a degree in finance or accounting. 2. Gain experience in financial management, strategic planning, and decision-making. 3. Develop strong leadership and team-building skills. 4. Stay up to date on changes in the business world and in the financial markets. 5. Be prepared to make quick decisions in a fast-paced environment. Becoming a CFO is a challenging but rewarding career path. Those who are successful in this role are typically highly intelligent and driven individuals with excellent financial skills and the ability to think strategically. If you have what it takes, don't hesitate to pursue your dream of becoming a CFO.